Hi, I'm Michelle Burt, owner of Maddie Cakes Children Themed Parties and DIY Party Crafts blog, Maddie Cakes Muse. And today I'm going to talk about decorations that you can create for a 101 Dalmatians parties. Now you know what I do not like is to go into those big box stores and have all this party decor and you just go on the aisle and grab every single thing that's 101 Dalmatians. Nah, you can create it yourself, a lot cheaper, it's more personal, and it's much more unique. To serve your food, why don't you use dog bowls? I got some coordinating dog bowls from the dollar store. You can fill in your foods, and that's a great creative way to serve all your food. I went with the color scheme of black, white, and red, obviously, because of my friend here, the Dalmatian. I used the name tags to so every kid can know where they're going to sit. I just used a dog bone. I spray painted it red. I love glitter, so I put some glitter on it for a little bit of bling, and I put some stickers on so they know their little name and they know where to sit. For the place settings, I used a plastic plate. Obviously, the Dalmatian has spots, so I wanted to definitely incorporate that in the party decor. This is vinyl that you can just get. It's actually shelving vinyl. You can find it in home improvement stores, and people use it to put line shelves with, but I use it for all kinds of decor, party decor and home decor. But I just cut it and stuck it on a plastic plate. And the good thing about this, it comes off and you can reuse the plate and it's safe. You don't want to paint a plate and then have your kids eat on it. Not a good idea. Did the same thing with the plastic cup. Put me a little coordinating straw, red and white, because I like to party like that. As far as a placemat, I made a placemat using cardboard and newspaper, because I think of dogs and newspaper and thought it was cute. Added bonus, found paper with a dog on it. How cute is that? And for party treats, simple to make as well. I used a cardboard box, put some spots on it with a magic marker and the party favor. Created a very easy party favor using a lunch bag, and I just put a paw print on it, poked a hole, ran some red ribbon through, put your treats in, a great little doggy bag party favor. Easy to do. You can make your own party crafts.